important problem on the construction of analytic function. You construct analytic function. Construct the analytic function whose real part is given as 2 sine 2x divided by e power 2y plus e power minus 2y minus 2 cos 2x. So this is what given. So we shall see the solution here. So what is given? U equal to 2 sine 2x divided by e power 2y plus e power minus 2y minus 2 cos 2x. This can be written as the following equation, but we are going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 2 without loss of generality. So without loss of generality, we are going to divide this numerator and denominator by 2. So it will imply our u to be sine 2x divided by e power 2y plus e power minus 2y by minus 2 cos 2x whole divided by 2, that is equal to sine 2x divided by e power 2y plus e power minus 2y by 2 minus 2 cos 2x by 2 will become cos 2x. 2 cos 2x by 2 will become cos 2x. So now we are going to make use of a formula. The formula we are going to use here is e power x plus e power minus x by 2 equal to cos hx, whereas e power x minus e power minus x by 2 equal to sin hx. So here we are going to use the first formula. By this first formula we will get our new u. So our new u is given by u of x comma y equal to sine 2x divided by cos h 2y minus cos 2x. So this is our new u. Now we are going to find ux of x comma y, that is differentiation of u with respect to x. We will get vu dash cos h 2y minus cos 2x v u dash means 2 cos 2x v u dash minus u v dash sin 2x into 0 minus, so minus of minus will become plus 2 sin 2x vu dash minus uv dash minus uv dash by v square. V square is cos h 2y minus cos 2x the whole square. So we will get ux of x comma y. Yes, this. So now we are going to find ux of z comma 0, that is we are going to substitute z for x and we are going to substitute 0 for y. So we will get cos h0 cos h of 0 minus cos 2z into 2 cos 2z minus sin 2z into 2 sin 2z divided by cos h of 0 minus cos 2z the whole square. So this is ux of z comma 0 equal to cos h of 0 is 1 minus cos 2z into 2 cos 2z minus 2 sin square 2z divided by cos h of 0 is 1 minus cos 2z the whole square. Now we will have see now we will have now we will have 1 minus cos 2z into 2 cos 2z minus 2 sin square z can be written as 2 into 1 minus cos square 2z divided by see this is one separate term and this is one separate term, okay, because this is v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square, that is 1 minus cos 2z into 1 minus cos 2z. So we will get 1 minus cos 2z into 2 cos 2z minus 2 into this is a square minus b square formula. So for this we'll get a plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus cos 2z into 1 minus cos 2z 1 minus cos 2z so we will have the complete term divided by 1 minus cos 2z into 1 minus cos 2z so we will get 1 minus cos 2z as common. We can take this 2, this 1 minus cos 2z, this 2 and this 1 minus 2 cos 2z as common, so we can take it outside. 2 into 1 minus cos 2z as common in the outside, so that we will get as cos 2z into what is remaining, cos 2z, then here we will have minus 1, we will have minus 1, it is not minus 1, think, yes, minus 1 minus cos 2z whole divided by 1 minus cos 2z into 1 plus cos 2z. So this 1 minus cos 2z and this 1 minus cos 2z will get cancelled. Cos 2z minus cos 2z will get cancelled. So we will get 2 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 2 divided by you will have 1 plus cos 2z, 1 plus cos 2z. So this is what we are having now. We will have minus 2 divided by 1 plus, actually it is whole square, I think. Yeah, it is whole square, so we will not get minus here. You will not get minus here. It is also a plus. It is also minus. It is also minus. It is minus, and here also you will get minus. Here also, so while solving the problem, we have to be very, very careful. So here also it will be minus. Also it will be minus 1 minus cos 2z minus 2 divided by 1 minus cos 2z, that is equal to how to write this 1 minus cos 2z. So again we are going to use the formula. I am splitting it as minus 2 into 1 divided by 1 minus cos 2z, that is, it will be equal to minus 2 into 1 divided by, so the formula here we are going to use is 1 plus cos 2z. See, the formula will be 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 equal to sin square theta. Okay, but this 2 is missing. So this 2 can be brought to right hand side. So we will have 2 sin square. So we will have 2 sin square 2z. Sorry, 2 sin square z. 2 sin square z. This is equal to these 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we will have minus cosecant square z. Therefore ux of z comma 0 equal to minus cosecant square z, So this is our ux of z comma 0. This ux of z comma 0 is nothing but phi 1 of z comma 0 is nothing but phi 1 of z comma 0 equal to minus cosecant square z, Okay, this is our phi 1 of z comma 0. Now we want to determine uy of x comma y, that is again the same vu dash minus u dash by v square, but this time we are going to differentiate with respect to y. So we will get cos h2y minus cos h2y minus cos 2x, cos h2y minus cos 2x will get cos h2y minus cos 2x. V u dash will become 0 because there is no y there in the numerator. There is no y term in the numerator. V u dash means sin 2x will become 0 minus u v dash, that is sin 2x into minus sin 2x minus sin 2x. Okay, u v dash means you will have cos h2y means 2 sin h2y, 2 sin h2y minus 0 or plus 0, we shall confirm it. 2 sin h2y minus 0. So since there is no x, since there is no y term, divided by v square. So v square means we will have cos h2y minus cos 2x the whole square. Now we shall find uy of z comma 0, that is equal to cos, so whatever it is, our first term will become 0 completely. Our first term will become, since 0 and anything will become 0, minus sin 2z into 2 sin h of 0 minus 0 will become nothing, so we will get this term in numerator divided by cos h of 0 minus cos 2z the whole square will become 1 minus cos 2z, but there is no use of this denominator because 2 sin h of 0 sin h of 0 is 0, sin h of 0 is 0, sin h of 0 equal to 0. So we will get only 0 as our term. So uy of z comma 0 equal to 0 divided by cos 1 minus cos 2z the whole square, that is equal to 0, So we get uy of z comma 0 equal to 0. It implies phi 2 of z comma 0 equal to 0. Phi 2 of z comma 0 equal to 0. Now we are going to construct the analytic function by using Millens-Thomson method. So by using Millens-Thomson method means we are going to use the Millens-Thomson formula. So by Millens-Thomson method, we have f of z equal to phi 1 of z comma 0 integral phi 1 of z comma 0 dz minus I into integral phi 2 of z comma 0 dz. Finally on integration we will get plus constant final integration we get some constant c. We are having phi 1 of z comma 0 value as phi 1 of z comma 0 value as minus cosecant square z dz. So this is integral minus cosecant square z dz minus I into integral 0 dz. So this term will not exist. We will have integral minus cosecant square z dz. This is equal to cot z plus c. Therefore this is our analytic function. Okay, f of z equal to cot z plus c, because on integrating cosecant square z we will get cot z, on differentiating cot z we will get minus cosecant square z. So this is our required analytic function. I hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you all for watching this video. We shall very soon get in touch with a new problem. Thank you all once again.